Even though my family and maternal uncle auntie helped me a lot, but especially you gave me that chance. I come to Dhaka almost like a jajabar, with one hope in my heart. If I return home, I must return with something good. It was about 2 or 3 years ago. At that time, I didn't have my own Android phone. Sometimes I visited my known brother named Shojib. I had a good bonding with him. He was good at sports, studies, and communication. When I visited him, I often saw him scrolling his phone. One day, I saw a short English learning video on his phone. In that video, our teacher was making many sentences with a simple structure, such as I can go, I can learn, I can sleep, I can cook. I really liked it. I feel that English is not that difficult. But still, I used to watch mostly reels and funny videos. But when I sat to study at home, I feel English is difficult, critical, and toughest language. Then I remembered that teacher. I thought that if I could learn from him, it would be easier. A few months later, Shojib's brother went abroad. Then I realized that I also have to do something in life. I asked myself what I want to do in the future. Then I understood that I love to learn. I also enjoy teaching others. So I decided that if I want to teach, I must learn first. If I know English, I can learn many things from the internet. So I searched for English learning video on YouTube, and I saw that the YouTube algorithm was showing me that same teacher's video, the same teacher I saw earlier on Shojib Brothers' phone. From that day, I became connected with Rahat English. For some days, I used to watch your videos on YouTube and Facebook. Whenever I got a notification, I watched the video immediately. Sir, one day you said in a video, if you join the online 91 batch, you will get the Spoken Fighter book completely free. After knowing this, I joined the online 91 batch. After joining, I also get Spoken Fighter book for free. And so there is an interesting matter, believe it or not. A delivery man came to my exact location and delivered the Spoken Fighter book. And I think the book was the first edition. Every new book has a special smell. I really like that smell, and I have a funny habit. I can't sleep on a soft low pillow. So to make my pillow higher, I used to put the Spoken Fighter book under the pillow. And I have a little sister. She studies Sunari Madrasa nursery. When she gets free time, she comes to my room, and one day she was drawing my Spoken Fighter book. That's why I scolded her a lot. I studied small topics every day, and the online classes are also very splendid. So you have taken the class. That was really good for me. But at that time, I didn't have a proper study environment. There were network problems in my village, and at that time also my father had this hand operation for the second time because he had an accident at the end of 2023. At first his hand was plastered, but it didn't fit completely. It's God gifted. I studied for SSC HSC using a mobile phone. After passing my SSC, my maternal uncle gave me a mobile phone. Then I used to take many classes online on YouTube. I learned about different platforms, but Rahat English felt special to me, sir. I often thought that one day if I could attend Sir's class in front of Rahat Sir, it would be really amazing for me. To be honest, everything tell in my mind. And after entering my college, my family financial condition was not good. At one time, I used to sell coffee on the Carmichael College campus. But one thought was always in my mind that definitely I will have to do good for my family. Many days have passed, and on I decided to go to Dhaka. I come to Dhaka in the month of October. When I came, I didn't have any specific plan. I only had a small wish in my mind that I would visit Rahat Sir in Mirpur. I come to Dhaka almost like a jajabar, with one hope in my heart. If I return home, I must return with something good. On the night I came, our bus had an accident, but I was safe. Let's not make it any longer. I just want to say this, that on my first day in Dhaka, I got the chance to talk to you face to face. That was a big blessing for me. And the person I had only seen on my phone for so long, seeing him in real life, sitting right in front of me, it was a completely different feeling. You asked me, what's your future dream? With hesitation, I proudly replied that I want to be a teacher like you. And I also told you that I wanted to join your residential batch. I knew the residential course was a little bit expensive, so I said that If I could get some time in the afternoon to work, it would help me manage my expenses. Even though my family and maternal uncle auntie helped me a lot, but especially you gave me that chance. That is why now I'm a student of the residential batch. And after coming here, I was really surprised. And I proudly say that I can say I feel proud because I can speak English. I believe I will do even better because I have a long way to go. I'm confident and hopeful. And I think this Omar Farooq will be a fantastic teacher in the future. It's my biggest dream. I'm optimistic. I don't know if I will ever get the chance to talk to you and talk like that again in front of a camera, but I think you will pray for me.
সত্যি আমি তোমার কথাগুলো শুনে মুগ্ধ হয়েছি। আপনাদের এতটুকু যদি আত্মবিশ্বাস থাকে তাহলে ইনশাআল্লাহ আপনারা ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারবেন। শুধু মনের মধ্যে একটা আত্মবিশ্বাস রাখেন, আমি পারবো, আমি পারবো, আমাকে পারতেই হবে, আমি পারবো ইনশাআল্লাহ। সো ইনশাআল্লাহ আপনি ওমর ফারুকের মতো ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারবেন। আর্থিক প্রতিবন্ধকতা কোনো বাধা নয়, সেটা ওমর ফারুক আবারও প্রুভ করেছে। সে সকাল টাইমে আমাদের সাথে জয়েন করেছে, সে বিকাল টাইমে কফি বিক্রি করেছে এবং সে আজ কিন্তু তার যে স্বপ্নটা আছে সে স্বপ্ন পূরণ করতে পেরেছে। সে প্রাউডলি বলছে আমি একজন কফি সেলার এবং এটা দিয়ে আমি আমার ইংলিশ লার্নিংটা আমি শেষ করতে যাচ্ছি এবং এটার জন্য সে অনেক বেশি কৃতজ্ঞ। আমি ওমর ফারুককে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। সো ওমর ফারুক, তুমি একদিন হাজারো তরুণদের আইডল হবে এবং তুমি তোমার স্বপ্ন পূরণ করে যাও। তোমার স্বপ্ন পূরণের সারথি হবে রাহাত ইংলিশের। তোমাকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাংক ইউ।